Hey everyone, this is the brand new LGTH 22V48 from Husqvarna. Now doing a quick walk around. The idea is just to do a visual, and then right after that we'll go back and we'll do a proper review video. Alright, now this one has the bigger wheels at the back. It's got a hydrostatic, but this one is done by a lever as opposed to the pedals. Okay. So there's the lever. Brand spanking new, fresh off a lot. Beautiful machine. You notice here too, it's got the bolts on the rear wheel, the oversized rear. It's got a 48-inch deck, and you can see the name right there, LGTH 22V48. Absolute beauty. So happy I got this one. This was the actual update, and I traded my 24K 48 for this one. I'm super happy. Bigger machine it looks like. Super comfortable. Gas tank in the back, battery in the front, and this one comes with the winner. This is the Husqvarna, and this baby has, you could tell, that's the baby right there. Absolute beauty. One of the best engines you could get for this machine. And I'm quite happy. Really happy with this one, guys. Okay, so I'll do one. It's still early in the year. No grass out yet, so as soon as the grass comes in, we'll do a proper review. But for now, this is what we have. Came in yesterday, and I'm super happy. Last look. Say bye, everybody.